Ooh.
Good morning, everybody. Here to rinse out another t-shirt. Look at that beautiful green, blue, better black spiral.
You picked the wrong pants to do this in.
Yeah, probably. I'll tell you. We have let these sit for an excessive amount of time to really bake in that dye. Let them dry fully. Get the optimum color. Getting covered here, man. Killing the camera.
Ooh, the concrete's too hot.
That thing shining.
Ready to take it inside?
Yep. To the inside. Woo. Look at that beauty.
This one's supposed to be for sand.
Yep. Let's get it unbanded. That's beautiful. Tye-die poking through.
A beautiful shirt.
Stripes poking out of there.
Check it out.
Whoa, look at that. Wow. Nice. That is awesome. Look at that.
It's beautiful.
That is awesome. And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow. Look at that. Man, so vibrant. Beautiful. Green, black, and blue tie-dye tee. Look at that. Nice lime pop on the bottom. So vibrant on the sleeves. Good striation throughout the middle. Just a wonderful spiral. It's a little windy today, folks, but look at that. It just glistens in the sunlight. Oh yeah. Let us know what you think in the comments below and what you'd like to see us try to do next. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.